Today I'm making salsa sauce with tortilla chips as an afternoon snack. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 1 canned tomatoes. I recommend canned tomatoes cube, 2 small tomatoes or 1 large tomato, half teaspoon of olive oil, 3/4 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup or 2 stalks of cilantro, 2 red chilies, 1 green chili, half of the yellow onions, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 packet of tortilla chips. Chill all the vegetable and canned tomato before preparing the salsa sauce. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Cut the yellow onion into very small and tiny cubes like this. Once done, put directly in the mixing bowl. Cut the tomato into a very small cube like the onions and place them together in the bowl. Next, chop the green chili into small pieces. Do the same for the red chilies. And cilantro leaves. Squeeze the lemon juice and strain the seeds. We have all the ingredients prepared and ready in the mixing bowl. Open the canned tomatoes. Pour in a separate bowl to ensure the contents in the can are good and okay to mix. Otherwise, if it is bad, it will contaminate the rest of them. This looks great and the tomato pieces are quite small. If it is too big, we may need to cut it into smaller pieces. Now I can pour all of it in the mixing bowl and mix until well combined. Add in salt, sugar, 3/4 tablespoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of olive oil, and mix. This looks so delicious. Give it a taste. It's good, but lacks a little sweetness and sourness. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, I will add in half tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir and mix until well combined. Taste it once again. This time, it is perfect. Let's dish out and serve with some boiled tortilla chips. Let's eat! It's delicious and chill, going so well with the crispy tortilla chip. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!